What are we going to build today?
We're going to build a neon project with light.
Yeah, so we have a neon art kit from KiwiCo, and it allows you to take neon wires and thread them through a couple templates.
The best part about this project is that it will keep your cat entertained for hours.
Stay tuned till the end and we'll show some funny pictures of our cats with the neon wire project. Also, please let us know that you want more videos by hitting like and subscribe. So we're going to do 2 templates today. Audrey, can you show your template? What is yours?
Mine is a teddy. And mine's an ice cream.
Yep, let's hold it under here. An ice cream cone.
It
says first let's try to illuminate our wires. So step 1 is to plug it in and see if our light works. So let's get the batteries out.
It's all from me. Also.
And push it down, push it back in the spring a little bit. There you go. Now let's plug this in, see what happens. What do you think?
I don't know.
You want to plug it in?
Yeah, I don't plug it in. Hey, it's also about you. What? Does it work?
And I think it has a switch too. Can you push the switch? Whoa, cool. It'll probably look better with the lights off. Let's turn the lights down. Cool. Oh, it's blinking too. Awesome, so let's put this cover on. Alright, so what we want to do is just make some art with it. Do you want to try the blue one? There's the blue one. Pretty cool. Okay, so what we want to do, step 2, is with the owl. Aw, it's an aw. Punch through each of the small dots. Do you see all these little dots?
Yeah.
You have to punch through it with a really sharp thingamajigger. Okay, that's super sharp. Now, hold on. Let Daddy try it first, okay? So let's take your kitty, and we're gonna line it up with each hole, and we're gonna poke right through it. Boop. Right, you wanna do one, Audrey?
Yeah.
Do one right here. Okay, and let's just go with all our holes. Boop.
This part might take a while.
Boop. Boop. This is gonna take forever.
So, how about we just cut?
Woo! Alright, so we finished poking holes in it with the aw. Very sharp.
Do not touch the tip.
Yeah. Cool. Now we'll do the ice cream cone template. Like, and after poking holes with the aw, here's the ice cream cone. And we'll go to the next step. Aw. 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 Now we're gonna poke it through the bottom. So do you see one of these 2 holes, Evie, the big holes?
Oh, yeah.
Stick it through the bottom into one of those holes. Yep, and then pull it all the way through.
Oh, is this kind of like sewing?
Yeah, now we'll just do some sewing, it looks like.
Yeah,
So pull
we're
it all the
sewing.
way up to the back.
Now what?
Like
We're
that.
sewing wires together.
Okay, here's a bunch of twisty ties. Here's the twisty ties. And
How do we? Oh,
so what I would do is I would stick them in on the front side.
Daddy, I'm done. I need the twisty tie.
There's a bunch right here. Let's see, Audrey. Let me.
Twisty tie.
Okay, just one. Then we'll pop it through here. And
I
then,
need help with my twisty.
yeah, let me see. So,
Daddy!
you see how that works? I put both sides through, and now that'll hold that in
Can you just
place.
do the twisty tie part on mine?
All right, now we're gonna make the backing for the product here. So there's this panel with double-sided tape on it, double-sided foam, and we're just gonna put it in each of the locations where they have the markings. You wanna go ahead, Audrey? now guess what's so special about this tape?
What?
It's double-sided. If you pull the top, is that sticky too?
Yeah. It's like glue. Yuck.
Ah, don't touch it. Okay.
Yeah,
Can you pull all of them off? Yay! Okay, now here's the fun part.
Ah!
Here's the fun part. What we'll do is take this. So this is our cat, and on this side is all the twisty ties, and we've taped down this wire so that it's not a problem. And we're gonna stick this wire. Can you help me stick it through that that cardboard? Can you get it on the other side? Pull it through.
My fingers are stuck. These are so sticky.
Yeah. All right. Now let's put these two together, buddy.
Okay.
Okay, let's line it up real nice.
Yeah.
And then what you could do is they have this little frame here, so you could put it here. And you can display your artwork here.
Nice.
Cool. Now what we need to do is turn it over, and so that we can hang it, we'll put it maybe right about there. What do you think?
Good.
And push down.
Push.
Push. Whoa. Now let's put it on the wall. Yeah. And there's your nightlight. Alright, and we have a little description in the book about how this works. Basically, you just have a thing called electroluminescence or luminescence. And so what happens is you have a wire in the middle and a wire wrapped around this thing that can glow. And so as the electricity jumps back and forth, it jumps through the glow material, and when the electricity hits it, it glows. Also, to make the effect bigger, they put it in a plastic tube, and that plastic tube is also colored. So if you notice, our tubes were already colored yellow and blue, so they already have something going on before you even light it up. And then when you light it up, it gets even brighter. And here's the finished product for the ice cream cone project.
Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.